Hi guys, this is Vaibhav and today I will try to review these Boat speakers. This is Boat 170 wireless Bluetooth speakers. So I already used these Boat speakers for more than 6 months. So in this video I will share my positive or negative feedback about these speakers after using the 6 months. So let's start this. So guys, let's start with the build quality. As you can see, the build quality of this speakers is as it is when I bought the speakers from the day one. So build quality is same from now, and you can see there are some kind of scratches on it because I already used the speakers. So in the end, for build quality, I just want to say the build quality is very good. The speaker is also already fall from 4 or 5 times from many places. So they are just small scratches, nothing and all. Nothing part has been broken in the speakers. So then just for build quality, just want to say the build quality is for speaker is too good. And guys, I have already done with the water test also. I have used these speakers in rainy season also. So you can say that the last month I have gone to the Khir Ganga and Kasol track. So I have bring my these speakers to the track also. So there is a rainy shower in that place. So I have used these speakers in rainy shower. So its performance is that time is also good. So the you can say the water part is also good. So let's talk about the speed. So speed, like you can say that the car speed, if car speed, what I have felt about the speakers is when the car speed is greater than 100, or you can say that the 120. So at that time I feel the speakers is unable to connect with the Bluetooth is more reliably, because there's a break in sound in that place. Or suppose you are traveling in a train, the speed of train is more than, you can say that the 120 or 140. So at that time what I feel is that the song is breaking, voice is breaking in that particular place. So else is good, but that time I feel that this thing should be, you can say that the fix if possible in those speakers. And one more thing that I personally want to share is, you can say that the cleaning, if you want to clean these speakers, is too easy. You have to just, you can simply use any kind of wet cloth, or you can say that the handkerchief will be good. So you can just rub the surface or the internal and external part of the speakers, it will clean easily. So cleaning is also easy if you are using these speakers. And guys, one more thing I want to share here. As per my using, as I'm using this from more than 6 months, so what I personally found in that, if I'm using this speakers from my while connecting to my phone, so in that case it's good, it's working fine. You can use the distance between your phone and speakers up to 11 to 12 meters approximately, so which is more than 10 years, which they mention in the box. So you can use up to 12 meters also. But while using with the laptop, I have a Dell laptop, and one more I have a HCL laptop. So while connecting those speakers with the laptop, I find that the distance, you can't use your speakers far away from your laptop of more than, you can say that the 6 to 7 meters or 8 meters, because there may be a disruption of sound in that case if you extend that particular you can say that the length for more than 8 years. So this is what I personally feel in this. So it may be possible that you didn't feel that things in these speakers, but I just feel so. I just want to share that thing with you. And one more thing I just want to share is that it will be too much easier for us if we have some kind of support, like for charging support, because sometimes I just plug in these speakers to my charging case, and I don't know whether they are charged fully or not. So some kind of voice or something like that, if they can add in the future, you can say that the fixes this board speaker, that will be very helpful. So there may be some kind of indicator they are trying to, so that we can able to see that how much percentage is your speaker is charged or not. So it will be very helpful if they can, board company can able to those give those. And guys, last but not the least, one of the best feature that I personally like about this board speaker is that you can able to connect. If you have two board speakers of this kind, you can able to connect with to each other, and it will bring a lot more cleaner sound in that particular case. So that part is really cool about those speakers. So that's all from my side, guys. If you want to share anything, you can just, if you have different kind of experience, you can just comment in this video, so that I can able to answer those queries. Or if you have different kind of experience of using that particular speakers, board speakers, you can enter your in comment section, so that we can able to analyze what kind of extra, you can say that the experience and different experience that we have. So thank you guys, have a good day.